Hi everyone, this is Avinash from AndroidPure.com, and today we are at the launch event of latest smartphone from Asus, that is Asus Zenfone Max Pro. This is basically a mid-range smartphone which is targeted towards users in India who want a bigger battery with a decent camera performance and a good processor. Basically, it competes with Xiaomi Redmi Note Pro, which is priced in the same range. As you can see, this is the Zenfone Max Pro, which comes with a uh, 18:9 display and a dual camera module at the rear. And this is 18:9 display with a 6-inch screen. In terms of specification, it is powered by Snapdragon 636 processor, and the resolution of the screen is full HD resolution. It is a 2160 by 1080 pixels screen. There are three variants of the device that are launched by Asus. That is based on the different combination of RAM plus internal storage. The first variant starts with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, whereas there is the second variant with 4 GB of RAM and 6 GB of internal storage. There is a third variant with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which is not at launch. Only the 3 GB RAM and 4 GB RAM variant are announced. In terms of pricing, the 3 GB RAM variant is priced at 10,999 rupees, whereas the 4 GB RAM variant is priced 12,999 rupees. It will be available in color options such as deep sea black and gray color. Uh, in terms of camera, the dual camera module consists of 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel secondary sensor, whereas on the front you get 8 megapixel front shooter for selfies and video calls. Here you can see the camera app comes with different features and different options, but we were unable to find the professional mode option, which usually is the case with most Asus smartphones. But one thing you'll also notice that it comes with stock Android operating system with the latest version of Android, that is Android 8.1 Oreo, and the phone is backed by 5000 mAh battery, which is great if you are looking for a heavy battery performance. Uh, We'll be doing the full review of the device later on when we get the review unit. At the moment, this is only the hands-on video. Before we wrap up, we'll also have a look at some of the camera samples taken by Zenfone Max Pro, and have a look and see how it is. As you can see, these are some of the camera samples which are taken under different environment. At the moment, it appears quite good, but we'll hold our opinion till we get the full detailed review of the device. So stay tuned at Android Pure, and we'll be back with full detailed review of the device.